Earlier this year, Peloton reported its 9th consecutive quarter of losses. So what does that mean for you and me as online coaches? What we can see is Peloton's revenue declined by 22%. Although their subscription revenue increased, their connected fitness sales sank by over 40%. This is where we come into play. If you're an online coach, there's clearly something shifting in the market, and it's quite clear. People are tired of generic group coaching programs. They want that personal, one-to-one, intimate feel. So whether you're online or in person or a hybrid coach, you need to make sure that you are creating something premium and personal, because anyone can hop on a bike and do like a group coaching program. But what separates you as a coach is your expertise and your one-to-one premium feel. People are tired of feeling like just another number. So it's quite simple. If you're not in the online game, building your online coaching business and creating a customized one-to-one coaching program for somebody, you might be missing out, because there is a market for you. And if you're not sure where to get started or how to get started, comment below and I'll send you over a free training on how to do the exact same thing that I do.